Alright, let's look at the homework 5.1, 5.2, number 11. Alright, so we're going to use the substitution to evaluate this indefinite integral. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so substitution. So since we would like to have a simple denominator, so we're going to let u to be expression inside the square root. So here, this guy, right? So we have 2x plus 3. All right. Then we can just take the derivative. So du over dx is going to be derivative of 2x is 2, right? Derivative of 3 is 0, right? Then take the reciprocal of both sides. So we have dx over du is equal to 1 over 2. Right? Then we multiply both sides by du so that we can isolate dx. Right? So this is just going to be du over 2. Right? So let's rewrite that. Right, so you have 3 on top, so that's not too bad. And over, right, square root of u. Right, then dx right here. So we already took care of 3. And dx is du over 2. So just put du over 2. Right? So when you have a constant, so you have a 3 on top and a 2 on the bottom. So I'll put that on in front. So you have 3 halves, right? Then you have an integral, right? I don't like square root, and since u is sitting on the bottom, which means that it's got to be a negative power, then there's a square root, which means that it's a 1/2 power. So it's going to be negative 1/2 power. And what's left is du. Right? So you have a du right here. Right? So this is going to be equal to, right, 3 halves. Right? Add 1 to the power. So it's going to be u to the, right, negative 1/2 plus 1. So it's positive 1/2, right? Divided by 1/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2, right? And a plus some constant, so plus c at the end, right? So 2 on top here, and 2 can cancel out. So what you get is, right, you have 3, right, 3 here. All right, 1/2 power is equivalent to square root, right? Then u is 2x plus 3, right? Then you have a plus c, plus some constant, right? So this is the, this is the antiderivative that we are looking for. Right, so let's type it in. Right, so it was 3 and square root of 2x plus 3, then plus some constant c. Alright, so let's check. Alright, it came back, and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.